Welcome to Grade 6 Math Integers. Observe the number line and recall the terms natural numbers and whole numbers. Number 2. Number line extends from both sides of 0. Number 3. If you visit a shopping mall, they must use lifts or elevators to move from one floor to another. Number 4. Sometimes we see a few floors mentioned with numbers in minus or as B1 or basement 1 and B2 or basement 2 or so on. This represents floor 1 or floor 2 respectively below the ground floor of the mall. Check your responses. Number 1. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, whereas whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Let's start. Concept 1. Numbers on the left of 0 are represented in minus and they are known as negative integers. 2. From the above number line, it can be said that all negative integers along with whole number are known as integers. 3. Right of 0 in the number line are positive numbers said to be positive integers. 4. Integers used in real world such as the distance above the sea level is measured in positive and below ground level it is measured in negative, or sometimes we see temperatures in weather reports to be positive or negative for the places having snowfall. 5. Example of representing the set of numbers, say minus 15, minus 10, 5, 10, 15 on a number line following the steps given below, such as draw a number line and mark points at equal distance. Label the points including 0 on it. Represent the given points by placing a dot at the respective place. 6. All positive integers are greater than negative integers along with 0 as they lie on the right side of 0. 7. Among the negative integers, the one on the extreme left of the number line is the smallest. So it can be said that negative integers is less than 0 and 0 is less than positive integers. 8. Example to compare minus 45 and minus 33, that is on the number line. 9. From the above number line, it can be said that minus 45 is lesser than minus 33. Since minus 45 lies on the left of minus 33 on the number line, and it shows that minus 45 is less than minus 33. Let's start. (11) Also, the 2 points, say minus 10 and 10, lie at the same distance from 0 on the number line. This distance is related to a new concept, say absolute value. 12. Absolute value is defined as the numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign and is denoted as, for example, absolute value of minus 6 is equal to 6. 14. Tell the absolute value of minus 24. Check your responses. Math, comparison of integers and absolute value integers. Read the following comic strip to recall. If we had seen two objects on the radar screen. We want to know which object was closer to the sea level. How can we find that? RoboNorm. For this, you must know how to compare the integers. All positive integers are greater than negative integers as well as 0 because they lie on the right side of 0 on the number line. If what about comparison of negative integers? RoboNorm. Among the negative integers, The one on the extreme left of the number line is the smallest. It means we can write the rules as negative integers is less than 0 and 0 is less than positive integers. Robonorm, you are absolutely right. Let us look at some examples based on the comparison. Let's start. Concept: integers and their comparison. Integers are defined as the group of numbers which include negative and whole numbers. Absolute value is defined as the numerical value of an integer regardless of its sign, and it is denoted by example, integer, absolute value, comparison. Addition or subtraction. Example: two positive integers, two negative integers, a positive integer and a negative integer. Examples. Example: compare minus 45 and minus 33. In negative integer, the more the numerical value, the smaller is the integer. However, we observe that on the number line, minus 45 is on the left side of minus 33. Therefore, minus 45 is smaller than minus 33, though the numerical value of 45 is more than 33. Example: arrange the following numbers in ascending order: minus 31, minus 51, minus 46, minus 11. Step 1. Draw a number line having appropriate intervals. Step 2. Arrange the integers in ascending order as per the number line: minus 31, minus 51, minus 46, minus 11. Therefore, the ascending order of the given numbers is minus 51, minus 46, minus 31, minus 11.